Hi everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to write this word. I'm sure these days, this term has been on top of the search results in most of the search engines, coronavirus. So everybody is talking about this now and we are all afraid because it's been spreading all over the world, right? So how do you say and write this in Chinese? 冠状病毒. 冠状 means corona. 病毒 means virus. 冠状病毒 Alright, so you can see how these 4 characters are written. I hope that now you know how they are written and how to say this in Chinese. And most important of all, please take care of yourself. Alright, see you.